with the San Diego Business Connectors with Carmenza David, and I am just amazed. There is so much excitement here at this monthly meeting.
It's a weekly meeting.
It's a weekly meeting. Wow!
We meet every Tuesday here.
And you have this crowd every time.
Yeah, today
wow.
we had 42 people, and on a regular basis we get an average of 35 to 45 people every week.
My, you are, wow. That is, I give you a thumbs up for that.
Yeah, we
So,
have.
Carmenza, tell me more about your group. If I am new here in Encinitas, would you invite me to join your group, and what can I benefit from it?
Well, basically, the good thing about our networking groups is the fact that we don't pay a membership, a yearly membership. So visitors or connectors, we don't call them members, we call them the connectors. Basically, they come whenever they can and whenever they want. I do encourage people to make it at least once a month so you can develop relationships and connections. But that's one of the advantages, that you don't pay a membership.
Yeah.
And the other advantage is the fact that we have inclusivity, which means I can have 3 lawyers, 4 dentists, 5 plumbers, because I find that competition is very good among ourselves.
Yes.
And I find that sometimes you basically develop a connection with someone, and that's how you buy their service, not necessarily because they're the only ones in the group.
Wow, that's really neat, because a lot of these organizations, they only allow one
Yes.
in one category.
Yeah.
But allowing more,
Yes.
more in one category, that gives us a lot of leverage.
Yeah, it does,
Wow.
because it allows people, to either develop liaisons among themselves. Like I have a couple of massage therapists. One focuses on upper neck and the other one focuses on lower back. And the good thing is that they both refer people to each other, and then they both can give each other massages.
Yeah.
So
Wow.
it's a win-win situation.
That's good. Well, we are so excited to have you at the 2010 San Diego Networking Showcase happening on September 9th. And
I'll be there.
Carmenza's group is one of the exhibitors. So we look forward to having you there.
It's going to be fun. It's
So,
going to be great.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Okay.
you.
See you on the night.
Yeah.